Hey there, YouTube. There's a lot of channels that have purported videos showing you how to install new LED headlights or halogen headlights into the side mirrors of an FJ Cruiser. These guys right here. But they all remove the face of the mirror like Neanderthals. This part right here. I'm just going to demonstrate how to do that not like a Neanderthal, and at the end of the day you will have working lights again, or improved ones if that's all you're going for. So obviously this is post-install, but all you really need is a flathead screwdriver. I'm just using this bit because I'm too lazy to find my flathead screwdriver. But what you're looking for is not, as some channels suggest, I've seen just literally sticking this under and pulling, leveraging. I've seen pulling from the side with your fingers. No, that's ridiculous. You can see on both sides, these clips right here fit into those two what look like bars right there. Now genuinely, the smart thing to do is to work whatever you have into that gap there, and you can effectively pry the brackets apart from each other, there being 2, 4, 6, 8 around the whole side mirror. So you get in there and you pry, and just like that, a little push, you remove that part, and you do that all the way around, tipping the mirror to get to each side. Now physically installing the bulb is as easy as plug and play whatever you have. These are the burnt out ones I had in there before. You merely twist the light switch out, plug the new one in place of the old one, put it back in, turn it, and just pop that sucker back on, pushing it straight on. The other videos cover that if you need it. I don't want to waste your time, but don't break your side mirror because people on YouTube don't know what they're doing. Right, Mila? Good job. Thank you.